here doing a little bit of shopping at Ross Dress for Less. Trying to see what they got up here. They got some cute little sandals and like summer shoes. So let's see what we can find. These are the ones, and I think these might be my size. No, those are way not my size. Those are size 6. And those are probably size 6 too. I want these. Look at those. Aren't those cute? Look at the detail. They're $19.99. Regular 40, so they're like half off the regular. Ooh, look at these Adidas. Always some screaming kids around, especially this one. There's 40s. Are these size 10? Oh, they're size 9. But no price tag, no nothing. No price. They're free $99, I guess. Rock candy, $14.99. Those are cute. Cheetah print glitter. Bling Gap cheetah print. Snake print. Bling. $13.99. Wow. Cute. Cute. Them are tempting. $13.99 now. These are tempting. I like these. These are my size too. Oh yeah. These are nice too. Not a good tennis shoes. Comfortable. Work shoes. 9.5. Work shoes. $24.99. So I got some cute sandals up in here. $13.99. These are my size as well. Reaction Kinnico. These are $7.99. Flip flops. Cute flip flops. These heels are cute. $19.99. Slides. On clearance, $9.99. Yellow suede, $14.99. Oh, look at these little cute little house shoes. Fuzzy little house shoes. My size too, yeah. $9.99. Clean Reebok. I know the Reebok classics never go out of style. Never go out of style. Clean. These are $34.99. I'm fresh off of work too. Trying to waste time till my son gets off work. It's across the street from his job. So I don't have to go home and then come back and pick him up. So I'm wasting time till he gets off work. $24.99 for the DOCs. DOCs. Look at those. These are cute little wets. $24.99. Some fake Birkenstocks, but they're cuter than Birkenstocks. These are cute. $15.99. Look at them, it's cute. See, they got a little gold in them, I guess. So, are those? What are those? See, laundry. CL by Laundry. Got some Puma slides for $12.99. I need some more slides. I might get them Puma slides. Eli one's only $9.99 though. Might get these. They only $9.99. Save some money, a couple dollars. $3. Yeah, shoes are these Tommy or something? Steve Madden. They're just all white shoes. $16.99 Steve Madden's. Boo. Fake. Birkenstock style. Cute. Leaned out. I probably already showed those, but I'm just looking at them a little deeper. What else they got in here? They got these, what y'all see. Let's see. They got in here. Co-reactions, $19.99. More fake Birkenstock. They got them in the silver with the silver in the line. $15.99. Rainbow shoes, $11.99. I mean, they're size 11. They $34. So these Crocs City Steps, oh, they $34. The regular 50. Are they serious? I don't know about City Steps. I ain't never heard of them. I don't know how they $34. These shoes is dirty. You can, I guess, easily wipe them off. They leather, $20 because they dirty. They Adidas though. They stack. That's for a short person. Ooh, these look comfortable. $10.99. I need something like this. It ain't my size though. It's fat. All kind of house shoes. House shoes. Here's some little rainbow shoes. $15.99. Tommy Hilfiger house shoes. Those are small. They don't fit me. Small is size 5'6". Do they have any over here for $10.99? I don't see none. This says WFH Queen. What does WFH mean? Let me know in the comments if you know, because I know. Calvin Klein sleds, $32. Lucky Brand. Lucky Brand, $25. It's Pumas. $8.5. Johns, New York. Take a Vanetta vibes. They got a Meta Vibes for $22. Jones, New York. Kenzies. House shoes. $7.99. Here's a neon green yellow. $15.99. You need to straighten up around here. Some mess in here. There's a mess in this stuff. Look at this fake Burberry first shot. Look at this faux Burberry. Nice, it's cute though. Vegan leather. $11.99. Faux Burberry. That's real cute though. They got it in this style as well. I like this one because it looks more like the faux Burberry. Just the purses we got up in here. You know, I told you our Rosses don't be having the purse selections like y'all's. That's a cute purse down there for people that like big purses. That one's a cute purse as well for people that like big purses. Antique craft. This one's $29.99. Vegan approved. Park Avenue. Look how much this one. I'll pick it up. No price. No price. It's free. This one. No price. Oh, $19.99. I think it's that one. Yeah. $19.99 for this purse. Okay. Cute purse. Little bitty camera bag purse. This Tommy Hilfiger. It comes with this carry-on bag. Regular $88. But it is $19.99. They have the other person in lavender. $19.99. That's cute. Yeah, they got that in a lavender. Vegan leather. Vegan. Nautica bag. Excuse the sticker on my hand. That's from work. The stickers get on both of my hands. Got it on this and this hand. I try to peel them off. It takes forever. Try to wash them off. It takes forever. So if you put a Kate Spade-ish type person. $21.99. Of course, it's PVC or vegan leather, whatever you want to call it. A big Tommy bag for $34. Could be a diaper bag or whatever. And it got a crossbody. Adidas crossbody. $25. Oh, that's not their price. Their price is $11.99. $11.99. $25 is Adidas price. So you're getting a little over half off. But that's that for now. Hey YouTube. So this is the haul portion of the Ross. Dress for Less. Shop with me. So we're gonna do this. It's just I didn't get the item. Only thing I showed y'all in the shop with me was purses and shoes. I like purses and shoes. But I'm going around the store and I got this for my car. See that with the fake wood grain? With the fake wood grain on it. Steering wheel cover. And it was $6.99. $6.99 for that. And I sprayed my bags down, disinfected. I do it every time since COVID. These are like some cute joggers. These are size large and juniors. They'll fit me well. They fit me well. They're real soft and comfortable. Brand one step up. 2 joggers in one pack for $15.99. This is it got the camouflage with the gold zipper, and then it has the black ones on the back, and they have the gold zipper. How about these for a road trip? Because I'm going on a road trip into this month. Going on a little road trip. So thought that would be comfortable in the car on the way there and on the way back. I got 2 pairs. And to go with the joggers. My light's acting up. My blinky short in it or something. So I'm gonna put my work top in here. Why would he do that? I'm throwing it over. I put my work top in the bag because it was in the back seat too. But got this to go with the joggers because where I'm going, it can be warm and then it can get real cool. So when it gets cool, but those are for driving. But I might wear them during the few days I'm there. I don't know. Who knows? Or if we go out the day I get there, then I might need a jacket. Go out the day I'm leaving, I might need a jacket. You never know. Just a little cute scuba material jacket. Got these little designs on the shoulders. Got this big old hood. Big old hood. I don't even know if it fits. It's a medium in juniors, but should fit me. Oh yeah, it fits. Probably should have got the small. I was scared to get the small, but it seems like it's big for a medium. Big and comfortable. I probably should have got the small. Look, let me show y'all. It's really comfortable though. The hood. I don't know if I should have got the small. Let me zip it up. I might have to take it back and get the small because this is like eating me up. I don't know. What y'all think? I think we do. Well, see, it's cropped. I don't want the crop part to be too cropped, so I guess this is going to be it. But you see, y'all see it. Y'all see it. It's very comfortable though. So yeah, but guess I won't get the small. This was $15.99. Is this zipper gonna work? Okay, we got it. We got it. 15 or was it 14? I showed y'all the price. It's $14.99. So, yeah, the pants were $15.99. That was on clearance. That was the clearance. $14.99. So before it was on clearance, I guess it was 21. The original Ross price is $21.99. It was what, $7 off. And this weather here is warm 1 minute, cold the next, warm, cold. So you get confused. I wear that jacket here before my road trip, but I probably won't. And then we have car stuff. I bought car stuff. Put in my trunk because I'm gonna wash my own. I wash my car like Sunday. I just wiped it down with dishwashing liquid and water, and then wiped it with I use microfiber rags, and it looked like I went to the car wash. So I went on got some car wash stuff. This is for the tires, tire spray, clean your tires, foaming wheel cleaner by Simmons, and it was $3.49. Then I got this car wash and wax concentrate it so you mix it with water and $4.99 for that. And this is 64 fluid ounces. It says 64 fluid ounces makes 21 gallons of car wash. And that's what I got. And that's the haul, y'all. That's what I got for my car, for my road trip coming up, a little outfit, so I can be comfy in the car. And yeah, did y'all like those shoes though? They had some cute little sandals. I'm gonna have to go back and get some of them sandals. I was down in a rush because I had to pick my son up from work. I'm gonna have to go back and get some of them sandals. But I got my MS Warrior T-shirt on. My sister got me. It says I may stagger, but not drunk. And it says slur my words, but not stoned. Feel fatigued, but not lazy. Not my best today, but I am still strong. Yep, that's supposed to be me. She got this made before I cut my hair off. So it kind of messed up the idea of the natural hair thing going on the church. See, it says La La B on the arm. But yeah, she got that made before I cut my hair. So that's me. With a weave, I guess. I don't have the puff no more. The curly puff no more. But yeah, that's it. That's it. Y'all want to see it a little closer? I'm going to put the show closer. Yes, there you go. There you go. That's me. Her arm looks like my arm, huh? Yeah, that's my arm. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Thumbs up the video. Subscribe. If you ain't subscribed, what's your problem? What you doing, man? If you ain't thumbs up the video, what you doing? Thumbs up, people. And yeah, I'm about to go live. Because I can go live now since May 5th. It's been my first time going live in 3 months. So just had to get this part of this video done for y'all. Bye. Be blessed and be a blessing. Deuces. Oh, yeah, and this stickers. Y'all said that in my shopping video. Stickers from the labels I do. You messing with it, have to put on at work. Just takes me forever to get this crap off my hands. Just ignore it. Anyway, bye. Deuces. Be blessed and be a blessing, Team Random. See y'all in the next video. Yeah, I went to Rally's. Rally's got these new freezers. So after I went to Ross's, I went to Rally's and I got this. Rally's or Checkers, whatever it is in your area. It's Rally's here in Lexington, Kentucky. See that mangoes in it? And it's a strawberry. It's the strawberry. They have mango and they have strawberry with the mangoes in it. I don't know if the mango one comes with strawberries in it. I don't know. I didn't pay attention, but pretty darn good. Pretty darn good, y'all. $2.29 for the regular, and then $2.99 for the large, I think. But I got it with a meal, so I guess I got it a little cheaper than that. Don't know. But yeah, y'all better try these freezers at Rally's. I know y'all know I ain't sponsored, so y'all know it gotta be good.